Face Recognition Smart Lock $399, including installation, Double 11 event, will give you an original lithium battery. Go home and scan your face to unlock in seconds. In addition, it supports fingerprint, password swiping key. There is also remote unlocking and remote door opening via mobile phone. Equipped with 304 stainless steel, all-steel lock body.
And here have with the king lock. Here with the aluminum material. The lock. Open. And you put the doorbell. You say hello inside, can see you. Now inside, you can open. Very safety. And